He's brought this little 36-inch Dayton here. I've always wanted to play with one of these. Because despite them being ugly and failure prone, they do move a lot of air. So we tested it out when we hung it. Seemed a little on the slow side to me, so I checked the capacitor, which was not bad. It was the correct, it read the right value on the meter, but it was a replacement capacitor. So I found that to be interesting. Oh, there's a break in the thing too. Almost seems like somebody has serviced this fan before. Because it's definitely not the stock capacitor. So we're not sure if it's the right value. So let's give it a try. Put it on high and let's see what it draws. It's rated at 0.72. What's it drawing?
0.7 right now, but
okay.
It's accelerating.
That's true.
It drops.
It probably will, but still, that's pretty close.
6.6.
6.5.
Nope. 6.6.
Okay, so that's pretty close. That's probably the right value. I'll give it an airflow test.
But I don't know if up in the value will really make a difference at that high of a value.
It will, but I mean, it might be gradual. Okay, I can feel it from this distance, although it's not a definitive breeze. I would put it in the spinner motor hunter category, so it's not quite as impressive as I would have thought. It's
good for a small room and up close breeze.
Yeah.
It's got a good spot.
That's how they advertise these in the catalogs, is for spot cooling.
Yeah. Well, these kind of are that.
So, yeah, at least it's straight bladed, so you get a good breeze directly under it. Okay, let's see it spin down. I'm going to prop the fill in. Let's see here. That was a screwdriver. Screwdriver went down.
But these, I think Bayshore Mall has 48-inch of these.
Yeah.
They're a little too small to be 56-inch.
For some reason, the 48-inch sizes are real common. I don't know why, especially in a space that's big enough to fit the 56-inch.
Yeah, I wondered that.
Toys R Us always seem to use the 48-inch ones.
Yeah.
Maybe they thought they could save a couple bucks per fan.
Maybe that's what they think.
Maybe they look at those size charts.
Yeah.
You know? And they just figure, I don't know, but there's no reason to put a smaller fan where a bigger fan will fit.
Yeah.
Especially in commercial and industrial settings.
Right.
There's some stores around town here that have 36-inch industrials where 56-inch would clearly fit.
Yeah.
There's a carpet store that's got a couple of 36-inch ring fans, and there's no reason not to have 50.
Yeah, and also the church my parents went to when we were kids in Brown Deer, there's this church we went to.
Yeah.
The new sanctuary was built at the beginning of the 90s.
Yeah.
That had 36-inch gold lines.
Nice.
And it was they should have used full-size ones.
They're kind of like the ones in my parents' basement with a little flat bottom.
Yeah, like that gold line, except get this.
Not like that one over there, though.
No,
Right.
they were more like the modern.
Right, gotcha.
And get this, they mounted them ball socket because of the sloped ceiling that it's got.
I think you've told me that before. You want to go ahead and run the decade box?
Yes, decade box is set. All right. 1, 2, 3. Just started.
Yeah, it's moving on 3.
Okay, and we're drawing 0.15. Okay, let's do 4.21. Let's just let it pick up speed on 4, just because I want to see if an Emerson would be good on this.
I think so.
Well, sure. I do, but I just want to see if it's on the slow side, on the fast side. Yeah, that's the one thing.
Well, the Oregon Municipal Court building
Yeah.
here in Oregon, Wisconsin, has a bunch of these installed everywhere.
Yeah.
I went there to fight a speeding ticket one time.
Oh. Okay.
They'll always they'll give you your points back, but they want their money.
Sure. Okay. Yeah, and I used a 3-speed on this thing.
Uh-huh.
It's quite faster than this. We'll see at 5, see what it does at 5. This is 4 for an Emerson, so that's a little slow. But let's try 5.27. Let's see, hold on. Let's let it pick up, see if it picks up, because it's almost running as fast as that little gold line down there.
Yeah, that's on a 5.
Okay, well, this looks like a good matching speed for that, and this is about what it did on the 3-speed that I got. So I think mine's up 5.15.
Probably.
Yeah, I got it at Fleet Farm. So it's in, the electrical department.
Yeah, most of the ones that you get off the shelf in hardware stores and stuff are either 5, 10, 15 or 6, 8, 14. 6, 8, 14s are really common. I don't know why. It's an odd configuration.
6, 8, 14.
Yep. The ones that they sold at like Ace and Do It Best for a while were the 6, 8. I'll show you. I got some downstairs, I think.
Yep.
What's that? Go ahead.
Yeah, this looks like the speed I had it at, so let's do 6 anyways. 0.32. So that's a little fast for that, so mine was a 5.15. Okay, 7. This would be like your low medium for an Emerson. 8.42. 9.47. 10 would be your low medium if you were on a. Yeah, this.
What are we drawing?
We're drawing at 0.48.
Okay, that's right. You did say that.
Yeah. 12.52. That's already getting up there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do 14.54, 15.56.
Getting closer.
Yep. 17.59. Let's just go all the way up and get 20. I'm at 0.62, so I'm actually already close. 20. 22. 23. 24. 25. I'm at 0.65, so I'm really close.
Yeah, I wouldn't go any higher. I mean, you could, but there's no point.
No.
Look at that close. You might as well put me there.
Let's. Okay, yep, I'm hitting 0.67. I just flipped the high switch just to see where I'm at, so I'm practically.
Okay.
I'm not gonna.
Let's try it on the solid state.
Okay. Okay. Stalled. Okay, I'm right at 3 o'clock with 0.13. So I'm just going to go to 230. I'm at 0.19. Another eighth of a turn. 0.24.
So far, pretty quiet.
Yeah.
This is mine.
Yeah. Yep. And then I'm at 0.25, so that's like a typical low. That's what it was running. 130, 0.3. I'm going to go straight up. 0.4.
Well, it definitely works well with the solid states.
Oh,
Pretty
yeah.
silent.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Yeah, I don't hear anything after my little faint bearing noise.
Sure. Sure, but that's 11. 0.5. 5.8. Might as well just bring it to high. I'm at 0.64 on the solid state, and that's all the way high.
Let's do the 0 to high, and then we can.
I think we did that.
Oh, we did, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I guess we're done with this fan.
What the actual rate of current was.
Okay, well, Metal Pete and I have 2 more fans to do tonight, so thank you for watching.
Yeah.